Hello guys, what is up? Today we're going to be going over how to make a Discord server and then how to grow it to be really big. And as you can see right here, using this technique, people have created really big Discord servers. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. And don't forget to like and subscribe, that helps me out a ton. Thank you so much. And if you ever need more help or anything, join my Discord server, link in the description. I can totally help you out with whatever you need. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so guys, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to trends.google.com, and it'll bring up this page, and you can start to search up what you want to make your Discord server about. Like, for example, if you wanted to compare Fortnite to, like, if you search up Fortnite and then you click compare right here, if you click that and you compare it to Among Us, then as you can see in this current state right now, as a search term, Among Us is much more popular than Fortnite right now. Just over time right now, Among Us is much more popular. So if I were to choose right now, I would say I should make a Discord server about Among Us. So that is how you choose what to make your Discord server about. Now let's get into step 2 on how to grow your Discord server. Hey guys, this is just a quick editor's note. So in the second part, I kind of forgot to say that you're supposed to upload a YouTube video. So yeah, this first strategy of the second part of the video is just to upload a video about your Discord server, saying, hey, this is a Discord server I run. It's really cool. It's about this and blah blah blah. And that's part of the next thing, and I totally forgot to say that. Anyways, back to the video. So guys, right now what I'm going to be going over is how to grow your Discord server. And the first thing you're going to want to do, actually, before we start this, is make sure you have a good Discord server. Just get like your friends or something to help you make a good one with nice channels and nice bots and everything. Make sure it all works. Next, you can just go into your own YouTube right where you're going to post the video. And you can, like, for example, like if we take our example from earlier and we say we're going to make an Among Us Discord server, then we just search in Among Us. And as you can see, if we type in Discord server, then there are already Discord server link, Discord server bot. There's a ton of stuff about this and people want to see it. So if we search out Among Us Discord server, then as you can see, things like this have come up where Among Us Discord servers, a bunch of people are doing it. And see, this is what you want to see. You want to see like people here. Let's find an example. 5 best Discord servers for Among Us, like this. You want to put in the title Among Us Discord servers, or whatever your Discord server is. You want to put in the title blah 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 Discord servers, so that people realize that it's that kind of Discord server, and that Google and YouTube promote the video more to people that search for it. So it's just a really easy way to do it. And if you want to go back and look at my other videos, I have other ways if you need help too, like PartnerBot and a bunch of other things. And if you want to get some staff members, and if you get staff members, they can help you with that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.